Once again.
Two twin aeroplane, flying high, circling and twining in the sky. Two twin aeroplane, flying high, circling and twining in the sky, in the sky.
I hope children you enjoyed this rhyme. Very good. So my dear kids, you have to revise your this poem, or we can say song, every day. So dear kids, as you know, we have learned uh, land transport, water transport, and nowadays we are talking about air transport. We are talking about air transportation. So kids, I hope you are taking interest to learn this air transport. Are you taking interest? Okay. So children, let's see what is the next. So kids, now I'm going to tell you about their parts of them. It means I'm going to explain you about the aeroplane and its parts. So children, you can see this is an aeroplane. So you can see here, these are wings. These are wings. Do we have wings? No, we don't have wings. And this is a tail. You can see here, these are windows. What are these, children? Say with me, these are windows. And children, do you know, an aeroplane has wheels. ये wheel से ऊपर उड़ता है. This is an aeroplane. Now the next is, can you tell me the name? Yes, correct answer. This is a helicopter. Say with me, this is a helicopter. So children, a helicopter has no wheels. You can see, children, like a stand. Yes, but it has windows. It has windows and it has a door. And these are, children, blades. You can see, children, here these are blades. And this is a tail. Tail also has blades. So children, जब ये उड़ता है तो blades घूमती हैं. तो these are windows, these are blades, and it looks like a stand. It has no wheels. What is this, children? Come on, give me the answer. It looks like a balloon. Good job. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. So kids, we can sit here and it looks like a balloon. You can see, children, this is a small basket. So we can sit here, but we can't sit here. It is a hot air balloon. ये बैलून की तरह उड़ता है. So kids, it floats in the air. So kids, you can see this is a hot balloon. It has no wheels. So children, a hot balloon has no wheels, no wings and no window. This is a rocket. It can travel to outer space. So children, you can see wings here. This is a tail. So it is very fastest transport, children. This is very fastest. So kids, can you tell me, do we have wings? No, but it has wings. So kids, air transport, or we can say these all transports are fastest transportation, but hot balloon is slow transport, but these all are very fast transportation. So kids, after that, take out your World Around Me B book. Open the page number 41. So children, you can see here land transport, and below water transport, and here you can see air transport. So this is a helicopter. This is an aeroplane. So my dear kids, you can do picture reading every day and you can revise your more air transports. So kids, take out your Be an Artist book. Open the page number 15, children. So transport, we can see here 3 means of transport. So children, air transport, land transport and water transport. So what we have to do, we have done already land transport. So today we will be doing our air transport. We can see here these 2 planes and below 2 boards. So you have to complete these transportation. So children, take out your favorite watercolor. You can use your favorite watercolor. Take out your piece of sponge which is provided behind of this book. So children, you have to take out your favorite watercolor. I'm not telling you ki you have to use your this color only. You have to take out your favorite color and you can use them. So my dear kids, you have to remove this stencil from here and give impression like that. Dip and give impression like this. If you don't have piece of sponge, then you can use your cotton also, children. So you can see my first aeroplane is, done. I have colored this aeroplane. Now I'm using my blue color, dip and give impression like this. So I have done my second aeroplane, first aeroplane and second. So I'm going to go to the next. This is a boat. You dip your cotton or piece of sponge into the watercolor and give impression like that. Can you see, children? You can use your different watercolor, your favorite watercolor. So I have completed my first boat. So kids, this is also you have to complete. After when it will be dried, So you have to take out your sketch pen or pencil, whatever you want to use, you can use, and draw the outline. So children, our water transport also finished. We already learned about it, so we have to complete our boats also. So these two aeroplanes you can see here, it looks very beautiful and it looks also very beautiful. So follow the instructions and complete this page. This is our land transport. Trucks are there. These two are land transports, and these boats are our water transports, and here two aeroplanes are our air transport. So children, nowadays we are learning and we are talking about our air transportation. So my dear kids, I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep learning, keep smiling. Bye.